We shall use Tinkercad simulation tool to demonstrate this fun and easy project. Consider this simple NPN transistor circuit with RB as base and RC as collector resistor. The load is a LED with anode connected to the collector, cathode to the ground. It creates a parallel current path to NPN transistor. There are two current paths available now, NPN transistor collector to emitter, and other is the load LED. Now we shall investigate how to control this arrangement as an inverter logic switch for LED load. When base signal voltage is 0, NPN transistor switches off state and current flows through the load LED via the RC resistor. Value of RC has to be determined as per the LED current requirement. The load current bypasses the switched off NPN transistor and flows through load LED. The load LED is on state. We noticed when the transistor is switched off, the load is switched on. Consider other case. When a signal voltage is applied at the base, the NPN transistor switch turns on and provides a path of least resistance to current. The load current turns off and LED hence switches off. The transistor has turned on and load now has turned off. We should try to formulate the results and analyze the input-output logic in a binary state table. Consider this table. When the base signal is 0, the NPN transistor is switched off and load is on. Vice versa. When a signal is applied at the base, the transistor is switched on and load is off. This arrangement of NPN transistor with a load is called an inverter logic NPN switch, which controls the load in a so-called reverse logic. This is a very useful circuit and can be used in many applications. I have used this Tinkercad simulation as an example for NPN inverter logic switch use case. The three LEDs, red, green and blue, are controlled via Arduino Uno ports. At the same time, a composite RGB LED, which is a combination of red, green and blue LEDs in one casing, is also driven by same signals. It can be noticed that the RGB LED changes color as different LED combinations are switched on and off. The connected I2C display shows the combination in text format. If you found this NPN transistor tutorial helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more electronics and circuit design lessons.